Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic plan quality management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start. Friend, first of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, plan quality management is basically a process under the knowledge area of project quality management, which is defined in the PMBOK Guide Project Management Body of Knowledge. This is a book issued by PMI, Project Management Institute, which is a non-profit based organization, and it also issued a certificate of PMP as well, Project Management Professional. Now, friend, when we talk about quality is basically the things which we have decided and agreed as per the scope of work, ensuring that all the things which have been decided and agreed in the scope should be delivered accordingly to the customer is basically called as the quality. Now, when we talk about plan quality management, basically we are saying that how will you manage the quality, how will you plan the quality in the execution in the throughout the life cycle of the project. This process involved defining the quality standards that will be used on the project and determining how to achieve and assess them. The goal is to ensure that project delivers the desired level of quality in its processes, products and deliverables. Now we talk about the input for this process. First one is the project management plan. Project management plan is a combination of different subsidiary plans, which includes quality management plan, scope and risk, etc. So like the project management plan is an input, so we use the scope and risk to take as an input for this process. Next is the project charter, because project charter is basically outlining the project objectives, high level requirements, objectives of the customer and the quality essential quality standards, quality requirements in the project charter will also be mentioned. Stakeholder register is basically, you can think of this as a like just think of this as a Excel sheet in which the names of stakeholders mentioned. Stakeholder is a person who has interest in a project, and it defines, the stakeholder defines that what are the expectations, requirements of customer, especially customer, regarding the quality. Not necessary only the customer, the internal stakeholders can have their own requirements for quality standards as well. Next is the risk register. Risk register is basically a document which mention any uncertainties, any unforeseen event, especially uncertain events in the risk register will be mentioned, which can have an impact on the quality of a project. Then requirement documentation means the clear understanding of the project requirements is crucial for planning how quality will be achieved and measured. Enterprise environmental factor means the factors that can influence the quality, such as the industry standards, regulations, any organizational policies. Organizational process assets means the historical information, templates, lesson learned from previous projects that can guide the planning of quality management. Like in the past, we have done such projects with such quality, for example, so it will become a standard for you. It will be like, for example, when we were implementing previously the website, it was running on all the browsers, major browsers, like for example Internet Explorer, Chrome, etc. So it will become a quality standard when you are implementing other projects. The tools and techniques which we used for this process is the expert judgment. Expert judgment means that you are talking with the domains experts, or the persons who have the domain or industry knowledge, and taking his input for the quality. You are also collecting the data to understand current processes and quality standards. You can have interviews, surveys, etc. Then benchmarking means comparing the project practices and results with those of other projects to identify areas for improvement. Brainstorming is also very important tool, like in which we basically all the persons are sitting in one room, they are giving their ideas. They have some, like for example 1 hour session is there in which they basically generate the ideas, potential improvements discussed related to quality. So brainstorming session is very important and effective session for quality management. Then affinity diagrams, and that means organizing ideas and data into a hierarchy to identify relationships and patterns. Similarly, like we sit in a room, conference room, and different people are sitting giving their ideas, and whatever the ideas we are receiving, we are grouping them into some hierarchy and some grouping, so that we can identify the patterns among them. The output of this process, first one is the quality management plan. Quality management plan outlines how the project will define, implement, and control quality. It includes details on quality policies, processes, procedures, standards, metrics, etc. So the major output of this quality management quality management process is the quality management plan. Next is the quality matrix, which is specific criteria or measures that will be used to evaluate project performance. Then quality checklist, a list of items or criteria that need to be checked during quality assurance and control activities. So these are the three output of this process. The key components of the quality management plan, first one is the quality policy. That means the statement that outline the project commitment to quality. The objectives of the quality, which also defined here, that measurable objective that the project aims to achieve in terms of quality. The roles and responsibilities are clearly defined in the quality management plan, that who is responsible for what, so that there should not be any ambiguity or problem in later stage. Quality control measurements describes the metrics and measures that will be used to assess quality. Process improvement plan there, that outlines the steps for continuous improvement in project processes. Project documentation describes how project documentation will be developed, reviewed, and updated to ensure quality. So these are the key components of the quality management plan which should be included. The key consideration, first one is the customer satisfaction. Friend, this is the paramount, or this is the most important thing, that customer expectations and satisfaction and objectives should be met properly. Compliance should be there, ensuring that the project adheres to relevant standards, regulations, and requirements. Second, another very important factor is the proactive approach, that we should prevent the things rather than inspecting the things, because in inspection it is the basically reactive approach, like something happened, then you are correcting the things. Continuous improvement means that incorporating mechanisms for continuous improvement in quality processes. Risk management integration, that means identifying and planning for quality related risks to mitigate their impact on the project. So these are the very important considerations related to quality. Friend, it is essential for establishing a framework for quality management throughout the project life cycle, because it sets the foundation for subsequent quality assurance and control activities, ensuring that the project delivers products and services that meet or exceed stakeholder expectations. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.